Namaskar. Good morning everyone. Welcome to Mana Bharati Secondary School, Sevar Bharatpur, affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi, with affiliation number 1730200 and school code 10545. We welcome the inspection committee members, Mrs. Ranjana Srivastav, Principal, Government Model Senior Secondary School, Chandigarh, and Mrs. Neelam Rani, Principal, Sarvodaya Girls Senior Secondary School, Rana Pratap Bagh, Delhi, for upgradation of a school from secondary to senior secondary in humanities stream. We are ready to enter the school. This is our main entrance. Right here we have two gates. The one is the bigger gate. As we can see, this one is used for big vehicles like buses, cars and etc. And the smaller gate is used for people who are on foot for one by one movement. Now heading towards the school. Now heading in the school. First I would like to show you the main parking area of the school. Our water hut is situated outside the building opposite to main staircase, well connected to each floor. Now I would like to give you a small brief of playground. We have an open auditorium for assembly and functions, structured cricket academy with 2 cement and 1 turf wicket, volleyball court, badminton court, football ground and 100-meter racing track. Now we will show you glimpse of our playground, which is behind the building. Now we are moving towards the building, the main block of our school. This is the administrative block of the school. Here we have the reception hall with front desk, chairs for visitors, CCTV cameras on all four corners, a biometric system for the attendance of teachers, and due to COVID-19 situation, we are having sanitizers, masks, and various parameters like social distancing and all, etc. On the right hand side we have administrative room as well as the record room. On the left hand side of the reception, we have conference room for staff meetings and one-to-one parent, teachers and students counseling if they wish for. Moving towards the corridor from the reception hall, on the left hand side we have the principal's room. Next we have on the left hand side itself female staff room with attached washroom. Opposite to the female staff room, we have a sick room. Here we have some general medicines, a BP monitor, weighing machine, a bed, and some gauges, bandages, etc. Infrared thermometers, hydrogen peroxide, etc. I would like to give you a small brief of school premises. Our total land area of premises is 9200 square meter with a well constructed brick boundary wall. Total built up area is 36,000 square feet divided into 3 floors, lower ground floor, first floor and second floor. We have 62 CCTV cameras all over school building at every 10 to 15 meters for safety and surveillance purposes. Each classroom also has a camera for monitoring purpose. There are 15 CO2 cylinders, and apart from these, each floor comprises of high pressure water hose fire extinguishing system. Now we will have a quick round of the school starting from lower ground floor. Then we will show you each room's inside view individually. Right now we are on the lower ground floor of the school building. We have classes 1 and 2, library, computer lab, composite science lab, geography lab, maths lab, history room, music room, indoor activity room for pre-primary classes, and a smart class with digital projector on this floor. This corridor has 15 CCTV cameras, 7 carbon dioxide cylinders installed, and a high pressure water hose fire extinguishing system. Right now we are on the lower ground floor. And let's have a look. This is the maths lab, the activity room, geography lab, history room, smart classroom, class second, science lab, boys toilet with 8 urinals and 2 lavatories, the central fire extinguishing system, main staircase, computer lab, class first, sports room and the library. Now moving towards the library. This is our library. We have 4,318 books in our library with different periodicals and 5 newspapers of 15 days prior to the current date. COVID-19 situation, we are maintaining all the necessary protocols, as you can see, and here is the accession register of the library. where all the record of the books is being taken. Here's the third one. We have 25 computers, all fully installed with latest softwares and with superior internet connectivity with Wi-Fi systems and UPS also. This is our composite science lab.
This is our biological section. This is our stock register. We have two microscopes. With the help of these microscopes, we show slides to the students. Now we have so many specimens. We show them to the students so they understand the invertebrates and vertebrates. This is our chemistry sections. We have so many chemicals. This is our aluminium sulfate, This is oxalic acid. This is calcium oxalate. This is potassium permanganate. This is zinc sulfate, potassium hydroxide, and this is sodium carbonate. This is ferrous sulfate, calcium chloride, calcium sulfate dihydrated, sulfur powder, calcium hydroxide, sodium sulfide, copper metal turning, starch, and ethanol. We also have so many test tubes to show the experiments. We have these burette stand. With the help of these burette stands, we show the titration to the students. We have wire gauge, stand, flask, borosilicate, funnel, etc. We use all these things in the chemistry. This is our physics section. These are our voltmeter and ammeter. We use them for showing the current and the voltage. This is our glass slab and prism. We use glass slab to show the refraction of light. ये compound magnets, and this is our transformer, and this is the optical wrench. With the help of this optical wrench, we can measure the focal length, and this is our electric bell.
Now we shall proceed towards the history room. This is our history room. Here, students can practically understand the history of India through political maps, and here we have a map stand also for better learning. Now we'll move towards the geography lab. This is our geography lab. As we can see, here are different calculators, globes, numbers, charts, etc. to practically learn and understand geography. This is our music room. We have different instruments like dholak, harmonium, tabla, and a synthesizer. Now we'll move towards the smart classroom, which has projector. This is the smart classroom. Here we have the screen classes. Now we'll be proceeding towards the sports room. This is our sports room. We have various indoor activities like table tennis, chess, carom, ludo, snakes and ladders, skipping ropes, etc. Apart from that, we run a cricket academy. We are authorized to use Fit India logo with our school authorized by the Sports Ministry. And here are the apparatus and balls, etc. used for outdoor games too. You can see different types of balls. From class first, second, now we'll proceed to the first floor. Coming to the first floor, which has 8 classrooms and classes 3rd, 4th A, 4th B, 5th A, 5th B, 6th A, 6th B and 7th A are here. This floor has main administrative block with reception hall, conference room, administrative record room, principal room, kitchen, female staff room, sick room, 2 toilets, 1 for boys and 1 for girls. This floor also has 15 CCTV cameras, 5 CO2 cylinders and high pressure water hose fire extinguishing system. We'll have a quick look. As I have shown you earlier, this is the reception hall having the administrative record room at the right hand side and the conference room at the left hand side. And in the corridor, we have class 3rd here. This is the principal's room, female staff room, sick room, the main staircase, boys toilet, class 4th A, 4th B, 7th A, 6th B, the central fire extinguishing system, 5th A, 6th A, 5th B, and the girls' toilet at the last. Here. This is 4th A. This is class 6th A. This is class 6th B. Here we have two more staircases for senior students. The north one is for the boys and the south one is for senior girls for hassle-free movement. Now we are moving towards the second floor of the school. This is the second floor where we have male staff room, classes 8th B, 8th A, 7th B, 9th A, 9th B, 10th A, 10th B, 10th C, which run here, and two vacant rooms for senior secondary classes. This floor also has two toilets, one for boys and one for girls, 15 CCTV cameras and 2 cylinders of CO2 and high pressure water hose fire extinguishing system. Each toilet we have has 8 urinals and 2 lavatories, and there are in all 6 washrooms or toilets for boys and girls in the school building. So let's have a look. The second floor's girls' toilet. Vacant room 1, vacant room 2, class 10th C, central fire extinguishing system, 9th B, 10th B, 10th A, boys toilet, 9th A, 8th A, the male staff room, 8th B and 7th B. On the second floor we have male staff room with attached washroom. Now we will show you the classrooms on the second floor, and here is first class 7th B. class 8th B. We can see that there is a CCTV camera at every 10 to 15 meters, and we have around 62 cameras all over the building. Now heading towards the corridor, we will proceed towards the senior classes 9th and 10th. We also have fire extinguishing cylinder. Class 9th A. Now we will be heading towards class 9th B. Now the class 10th A. Tenth B. Class 10th C. Two vacant classrooms proposed for classes 11th and 12th. So let's have a look. boys toilet of first floor. Toilet. A centralized high water pressure fire extinguishing system. As we can see, we have high pressure water extinguishing system on every floor. Now we'll proceed towards the water hut, where we have RO water drinking system for students, and from where they can refill their bottles and all. This is the water hut systems. We have completed our VIOS videography. We would like to bring to your notice that we have a goal of shaping our students and make them responsible and accountable citizens to serve the nation. We provide quality education to deserving people at a very economic tuition fee. We feel proud to announce that students passed from our school are serving their services in Indian Army through NDA and IMA Academy. Our students have also been part of renowned institutes like IITs, IIMs, NITs and well-known medical colleges. We look forward to continue the same in coming years too. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.